Hello my friends, I'm back with a mukbang. I got some egg noodles with egg, salmon sashimi, and some pickled veggies, all from the Asian market. Oh. These are actually cognac noodles. I don't know if you heard about those. They have like 0 calories. Don't ask me how, but your girl is on a diet, so that shit came in clutch. I wanted to address something. Oh, I got a little Thai, Asian, I guess, in general, crack sauce, which is cilantro root, garlic, lime or lemon, a little soy sauce, chili, what else? That's it, and water, I guess. So good. I started this TikTok for fun. Food is my love language. I love to share what I'm eating with people. But I noticed over the time, I got more followers, more views, more likes. And I was kind of like feeling pressured, like, oh, I have to upload a video. Oh, people are requesting Spanish food, Greek food, Thai food. I have to go there, and I still don't have a job. Like, I'm not allowed to work yet. So there's only so much I can do with like my savings. And I cannot eat out every day, obviously. So I kind of felt pressure, like, oh, I have to do this for my followers and stuff. So I don't know if y'all noticed, but I kind of slowed down with the videos. Not uploading as much as I used to, or as frequent as I used to. I still love y'all though. And I still have the list with all the countries that I have to like eat the food of. And I will do it, but it will just take a little longer.